I was actually referred to Dr. Evans just in case I contemplated replacement. It had gotten to the level that it was more excruciating and it caused me difficulty for walking. And one of my favorite activities was walking on the beach. I went on my annual beach vacation. I couldn't walk the beach. It was so painful. So I decided that at that point, it's time to have replacement. 2 years later, after the surgery, I went back to the beach and I was able to walk. And that's putting my feet in the water and feeling the tide come in and feeling, I'm looking down and I'm saying, I'm doing it. So yes, it was a very emotional moment. And I did call and I was right on the beach and I said, I wish I could talk to Dr. Evans right now, because that's what I told him my end goal was. I wanted to be able to walk the beach again. And I did. Not only did he have the knowledge and skill set that he shared with me, he made me comfortable with the decision and he explained it to me and what I could expect. Very compassionate and understanding. He just made me feel real comfortable with the decision and gave me hope that I would be able to do what I wanted to do again, because that's what I told him. I want to be able to walk the beach again. And everything he's told me has been true. It was just a very thorough examination, and we looked at video clips on how this procedure would take place. All the questions and apprehensions I had were just somewhat put to ease because it made the process was just so totally complete and inclusive of all the information that one could really have doubts about. It was something I don't regret. Matter of fact, I have a friend and I told her I recommend that she does. She has been suffering a lot longer than I. She has been reluctant. She says she doesn't want to have surgery. And I said, but your lifestyle has changed. You still have a lot of life to live. Why not live it actively? And I told her that Dr. Evans was one of those who would give you those reassurances, and he would, he's not pressuring you to have the surgery, but at least go and talk and have the consultation so you can have a better understanding of what the expectations are. I'm just thankful, and I think it's been a blessing. I think you'd be pleased with the end result.